First initial reaction when I read this was, this is brave, this is original, this is unique.
I need to get out of a toxic relationship.
You have the most narcissistic boss imaginable, who is also a powerful blood-sucking vampire.
Hello, Renfield. Marvelous attire.
The codependency is toxic, but there's a level of love there.
Care, feeding.
You're like the guy that gets the villain's Postmates.
Is it yummy?
Horror and action and comedy all existing in one movie.
We are punching heads off.
Blood, car chases.
Fireworks.
And then you get me looking like this, being an absolute maniac.
People love horror, but what's gonna really pull them into this is the humor. And as they're laughing,
You can hit that bullseye of comedy and horror. You've got something quite special, quite delicious. Let's eat.